what's up people, welcome back to another video. My name is Mishra, a legal intern in LEXCLIQ and Company. So today in this video I will talk about the Constitution of India. Before starting with my video, I would like to tell that this video does not solicit any kind of promotion or advertisement under the guideline of Bar Council of India. The sole purpose of this video is only for educational purpose. Now let's get started with the video. The Constitution of India. What all you guys think the Indian Constitution is? Okay, if you know what Constitution is, please comment down below. So starting with my video, the Indian Constitution, the longest of any sovereign nation in the world, provide a comprehensive and framework to guide and govern the country. The Constitution of India, where the original text of the Constitution contained only 395 articles in 22 parts and 8 schedules. It came into effect on January 26, 1950, the day that India celebrates each year as the Republic Day. So now the number of articles has been increased to 448 due to 100 amendments. Now, who is the father of Indian Constitution? You all guys know that who is Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Yes, the father of Indian Constitution is Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. The chairman of his drafting committee is considered the chief architect of Indian Constitution, which provide a comprehensive and dynamic framework to guide and govern the country. So, it is not wrong if we say that Indian Constitution is the mother of all law in the country. Okay, so yes, it is true that it is the mother of all other law of the country. Every law enacted by the government has to be confirmed with the Constitution. Now, Preamble. What Preamble is? The Preamble of India Constitution, its guidelines to guide people of the nation to present the principle of the Constitution, to indicate the source from which the document derives its authority and meaning. It reflects the hope of the people. Now, Preamble. The Preamble of Indian Constitution declares India to be firstly sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic and a welfare state, committed to secure justice. Now, the liberty and equity for the people and for promoting fidelity, dignity for the individual and unity and integrity for the nation. The objective specified in the preamble constitutes the basic structure of the Indian Constitution, which cannot be amended. Yes, preamble cannot be amended. The opening and last sentence of the preamble says that we the people adopt, enact and give to ourselves this Constitution. Signifies the power is ultimately vested in the hand of the people. Now, talking about Article 1. Article 1 of the Constitution say India shall be a union of states. The Constitution provides a federal structure with clear division of power between the central and the state, each empowered by the Constitution to enact and legislate within the sphere of activity. The central government enjoys the exclusive power to legislate on the subject mentioned in the Union list. Okay. The state government has fully authority to legislate the subject on the state list, and the both state and the central and the state can legislate on the subject mentioned in the concurrent list, with the residuary power in the central government. Now, it can be said that India has cooperative federalism. The Constitution provides for the parliament form of government with the legislature and the central consisting of Lok Sabha, lower house of parliament, and Rajya Sabha, upper house of parliament, while the Lok Sabha consists of elected representatives of people. The Rajya Sabha consists of representatives elected by the state legislative assembly. Okay, now the president is the nominal head of the state and the parliament. In actual practice, the prime minister aids by the council of ministers head the executive and is responsible for governance. Now, the Constitution. The Constitution based many fundamental rights in citizens. These are right to equality, right to freedom, right to right to freedom of religion, cultural and educational right to constitutional remedies. These rights are justifiable, and an individual can move to Supreme Court or the High Court if there is an encroachment or any of these rights. However, fundamental rights in India are not absolute. Okay, these fundamental rights are not absolute. The reasonable restrictions can be imposed. Okay, so by 42 amendments in 1976, fundamental duties were added in the constitution to remind people that while enjoying their right as citizens, they should perform their duties, for rights and duties are correlated. Now, another novel feature is also added to this constitution, contain a chapter on directive principle of state policy. There are in nature of directive to the government to implement their established social and economic democracy in the country. Though not justicable, these principles are considered fundamental in governance of the country. See. Moving ahead, one of the strengths of this constitution is that it is dynamic instrument that can evolve with the time by its interpretation or amendment. Okay, see, remember that preamble cannot be amended, but constitution can be amended on paper. On amendment to the constitution, it is difficult affair and normally needs at least two-thirds of the Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha to pass it. However, the Constitution of India is one of the most frequently amended constitution in the world, as not to state in the way to the growth and development of the nation and its people. The success of this Indian constitution for a country as diverse and complex as Indian continues to intrigue, impress and inspire experts around the world. So thank you everyone for watching my video. I hope you like it. Please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and like the channel, and let me know your feedback in the comment box. Till take care.